In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Asana. This is a straightforward setup that helps connect your CRM activity in HubSpot with your work management in Asana, so your team can stay more organized and act on tasks more efficiently. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along in just a few minutes. To get started, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you have permission to install or manage app integrations. If you're part of a team, some settings may only be available to admins, so that's good to keep in mind before you begin. Once you're inside HubSpot, head over to the marketplace. This is where HubSpot lists the apps and integrations you can connect to your account. You can usually find the marketplace from the main navigation or settings area, depending on your account layout. Take a moment to make sure you're in the app marketplace specifically, since that's where you'll be able to search for external tools like Asana. After that, use the search bar in the marketplace to look for Asana. Type in the name and select the Asana integration from the search results. It's always a good idea to open the correct app listing and quickly review it before moving forward. This can help confirm that you're installing the official integration and also gives you a chance to see what features are included. Next, click Install and then log into your Asana account when prompted. This step connects the two platforms, so HubSpot can communicate with Asana properly. During the sign-in process, you may be asked to approve access or grant permissions. Read through those prompts carefully, then continue to authorize the connection. If you're already signed into Asana in your browser, this part may go a little faster. If not, just complete the login and follow the on-screen approval steps until the integration is confirmed. Once that's done, your HubSpot and Asana accounts should be connected. From there, you can move on to using the integration based on your team's workflow and how you want tasks and information to flow between the two systems. And that's it. That's how to integrate HubSpot with Asana. If you're following along, take your time with each screen, especially during the authorization step, to make sure everything connects correctly.